Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English, Beginner 12, Yoga.
Welcome. I'm your yoga master. While I'm doing some exercises, your English teacher will take you through today's lesson.
In this lesson, we will talk about fitness using the words can and could. Can you play basketball very well? Could you play basketball well in the past? Before we watch a short movie, I'll teach you some words about sports. Exercise. Do you exercise every week? Exercise is an activity with your body. Fitness. Good fitness means you can do exercise very well. Do you know what yoga is? Yoga is a kind of exercise from India. In yoga, we practice stretching. This makes your body long and flexible. In yoga, good breathing is important. You breathe in and you breathe out. All the way. Now let's watch a movie. She wants to do more sports. He is a sports teacher. Listen for the words can and could.
Excuse me.
Hi, are you interested in signing up for one of my yoga classes?
Well, I certainly need to improve my fitness. A few years ago, I could run fast. Now, I get out of breath very quickly.
That's a common problem. Yoga can help improve heart rate and stamina.
What exactly is yoga?
Yoga is a system of stretching and breathing exercises. It's also very good at strengthening and exercising different parts of the body.
I could bend and stretch easily when I was young. Now, I can't move so easily. How can I improve my fitness?
Exercise 2 or 3 times a week at first. It's important not to do too much too soon.
Well, why can't I exercise every day?
Because too much exercise can be dangerous. A few hours a week should be enough to begin with.
I could do gymnastics and play hockey when I was in school. I'd like to be fit again.
Well, why don't you try one of my classes?
Now let's talk about the grammar. We use can to talk about present ability. I swim every day. I can swim very well. We use could to talk about ability in the past. When I was a child, I could run very fast. I could run fast is a past ability. I can run fast is a present ability. Now we're going to look at part of the video. I will show you sentences. Some of the words are missing. Read this sentence. Is it present? Can. Is it past? Could. Guess now. Okay, let's watch again.
A few years ago, I could run fast. Now, I get out of breath very quickly.
Good job. The answer is could. A few years ago, I could run fast. Let's try again. Read this sentence. Choose the right word. Okay, let's watch.
Too much exercise can be dangerous. A few hours a week should be enough to begin with.
Nice work. The answer is can. Too much exercise can be dangerous. Read this sentence and choose the right word. Ready? Let's watch.
I could do gymnastics and play hockey when I was in school. I'd like to be fit again.
Excellent. The answer is could. I could do gymnastics and play hockey when I was in school. Alex could do sports very well before. She wants to be fit again. Well done. That is the end of our lesson on talking about fitness. We've learned how to use can and could. I can do yoga very well. My friend could do yoga when she was a child. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. See you again soon. Bye.
Welcome back. How was the class? Did you enjoy it? Good. Now it's time for me to leave.